Oyinhloko ye-NPA KwaZulu-Natal uthi umkhwanazi wabatshela ukuthi abashushisi bahlose ukukhoxisa amanye amacala athinta ukubulawa kosombusazwe. Uthi ihhovisi lakhe laselicela-ke ukuthi bewacubungule kahle amanye amadokodo ngaphambi kokuthi achithwe. Bathola ukuthi ngempela siwumqondo ophusile isinqumo se-NPA sokhoxisa amanye amacala.
We requested for a list of dockets where they were concerned in, so that we could review the decisions that had been made by the prosecutors. Indeed, Chairperson, this was done. And we found that, in fact, the decisions that had been made by the prosecutors, they were justified under the circumstances.
Umkhwanazi ngesikhathi ethula ubufakazi utshele ikhomishana ukuthi abashushisi babelokhu befuna imidandi yobufakazi kumacala athinta ukubulawa kosombusazwe nakuba babukhona ubufakazi obuphathekayo kwamanye wawo. Umphathi wabo uthi akakaze yena atshelwe ngokuhlakazwa kwethimba elabe lijutshelwe ukuphenya lamacala. Wakuzwa lokho ezinkundleni zokuxhumana.
When had you first heard of the disestablishment of the task team?
As I've indicated, through media, it was floating on social media from about the 3rd of January.
Uthi ukube bake bambuza ukuthi yena ucabangani ngesinyathelo sokuhlakazwa kwethimba le-PKTT wayengeke avuma ukuthi lihlakazwe.
After everything is said and done, and everything that went into providing the coordinated approach and providing this coordinated team, I would have strongly motivated against the de-establishment. If I had been approached for a comment, I would have.
Ngesonto elizayo kuzobe kufakaza umphathi wezobunhloli emaphoyiseni uLT General Dumisani Khumalo.